Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix files missing in OneDrive app at 2025. So the files can appear missing for several reasons. They weren't synced, were deleted, or filtered out. So to fix the issue, at first you will need to check the OneDrive online. So open the OneDrive app and tap on the profile icon that's located on the top left corner. Tap it and then go with or look at this bar, and here make sure you are signed in to the correct account. Also, you can go to the OneDrive.com in the browser to check if the files exist online. Sometimes files exist in the cloud but aren't downloaded yet. Okay? Also, or the second step is to refresh and pull down to sync. So go to the folders where files are missing. So for example, you can tap on files just here, go with my files, and right here you can see some missing folders. So you will need just to pull down to refresh the sync. Okay, the third step is to check the recycle bin. So to do that, you will need to tap the profile icon that's located on the top left again, and there you go. So you only just go with the recycle bin, the first option, and check for missing files just here and restore if found, because files may have been deleted accidentally and you can find them on the recycle bin. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.